Ahmet Yildiz, a member of the AK party, spoke at the General Assembly in the Turkish parliament of a request to launch an investigation in East Turkestan because of the suppression of Uyghur minorities. The news about East Turkestan is gaining more and more international and national attention. All this worrying news is being watched in detail by the Turkish government, said Yildiz. According to the traditional Chinese calendar, a new year has begun, which is being celebrated as the so-called Lantern Festival. The Chinese government, which continues to oppress Uyghur people, is said to have forced Uyghurs and Kazakhs to attend the festivity. A delegation from the Uyghur World Congress has consulted with Turkish NGOs to discuss the issue of East Turkestan. After visits to the US and Germany, the delegation traveled to Turkey. Also, a conference about East Turkestan took place in a students' association on which Ferhat Kurban Tanrıdağlı made a speech. The English government takes away citizenship of the 19-year-old Şemime Bergüm after traveling to Syria and joining the IS. The Home Office sent a letter to her family stating that Home Secretary Sajid Javid ordered her to withdraw her citizenship. Bergüm told The Times, "I'm not the stupid girl of 4 years ago, and I did not regret my return home." The meeting between Russian President Putin and the president of the Israeli regime, Netanyahu, has been cancelled. Israeli diplomatic circles say that a telephone call should take place today.